Today, I'll be showing you how I make a sensory wall or sensory frames using items from the Dollar Tree. Hi teacher friends, welcome back to the Adapted Classroom and welcome back to another episode of How I Adapt That. Let me show you some of the things we'll be using. Textured ribbon, more felt. This is like a velvety thingamabob. Necklaces, rocks, a fluffy fabric, Brillo pads. One of those car mitt things. These glass gems. And then we're going to be putting them on frames. So cue the montage of me making the sensory frames. We'll also be using a hot glue gun. We're just taking off the glass part of the frame and setting it to the side. I'm just putting our textures on the back of the little insert that comes with the frame. And then I'm just going to put it in the frame like that. We have our first sensory frame done. Halloween decorations out right now. Halloween and fall. Yes, we should be very scared. It's only summer. That's all I have for you today. Thank you for watching. I'm actually super excited to use these in my classroom. I love the velvety one. I really like the fuzzy one. So soft. So what I like to do is take heavy duty Velcro strips and Velcro them to my wall. So if I need to take them off, it's easy to take off, but they pretty much are sturdy on the wall. Excited to use these in the fall. I hope this video was helpful. I'll be back tomorrow with more tips on how you can adapt your classroom to fit the needs of your students. Bye!